Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to basically refurbish this TV stand. I'm going to paint it white. I think it's going to look fabulous. And then I'm going to attempt to get some like picture frames and some other knickknacks to sit on top of it and inside. My TV is going to be mounted. So yeah, so let's do this. Come along, we're going to have a good time. It's going to look great. Here's the finished floors. We'll put one more coat on them. Alright, you guys, here's the top of it. I like literally have ran out of paint, so I gotta go get some more paint. I underestimated how big this thing is. So this is the first coat. Pretty good, I think. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm about to put on the second coat, and then we'll let it dry, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, you guys, here's the second coat. I'm gonna have to go get some more paint, but it's looking pretty good. The drawers are done over here. Excuse the shadow. So yeah, so once I actually finish, I will show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the light. Thought I'd get a better view. Isn't it pretty? I think it looks so pretty. Okay, so I spray painted the handles a matte black, and I think it looks really cute on. So yeah. Hey you guys, okay, so this is the finished product. It took 3 coats of paint for me to get the desired like color that I wanted. It looks pretty good. I really like it. Okay, you guys, that's the end of this video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share if you can. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.